Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm sitting here in front of this beautiful seaside. It's Corniche of Abu Dhabi. Here in front of me you can see over there UAE national flag with a beautiful building and great view. Maybe it's hard to explain because if you can't see properly, just sorry for that. Here couple of towers. There is so many towers over there, so it's very easy to see. For me, I can watch easily from here. It's dark but nice, very nice place. There is an exact in front of me. There is little beautiful fountains you can see on the video, which is very beautiful, and the sounds coming like rain or water falling or something like that. And the tall building that you can see, top of the light, red light, head of that building, and it names Alain Tower, which is nice residence. And here also you can see shining tower, and these are there. And if I turn around, and there is so many high-rise buildings. So today I'm here at Corniche side. I'm sharing some topics with you guys. Something is very interesting. I just want to share with the people. I've been watching some videos. Uh, my country, uh, there is some people visit in our country. Like if openly say that Pakistan, I'm from Pakistan. I really appreciate that they're from England, so they're just exploring our country as well. And actually, I'm not sure they're on trip or they left from there, but their trip was going nice. So I really enjoy that. I appreciate that they visit there. But I want to really share with the people some misperception. What was that? Because I heard something that whenever they are going to purchase something and they're getting, and of course they have misunderstanding because of the language, because they're all speaking Urdu, and of course they are speaking English. So they never get any good translator with them, but that was quite fine because they always accepting. But for all people, I'm just trying to say, wherever people visit, anywhere, any country, just try to help them, and as other people do. Some people are shy, some people are talking not nicely, and we don't need to worry about that because everybody are not same. Some people have just problem with their own acceptance. It's not about others, not at all. So yeah, just we need to forget that, we need to let it go. So the people was go there on the streets and they make vlog everywhere, and which is nice message to all other countries. So please guys, keep appreciate that, keep visiting Pakistan. That's beautiful country, no doubt, and a very safe country. If anything will happen to you, we are just apologize because there is no word to say anything. Hopefully, inshallah, our uh, businessman and our president and our prime minister as well, and all those other who are in good role of that, and they will make good decision to make clean places for tourism. And of course, if you have more tourism, and of course you have more good business, that's what I'm trying to say. So people need to visit everywhere, and of course everybody are looking around. Maybe some people are uh, not enough budget, and some people are just adjusting, and some of course not. But mostly I have seen in every country have like this. Some people are good and some people are, you know, uh, just they can't afford the things. Yeah, they are obviously good, but they can't afford, and which is whatever is possible, just you try to do. And people are always visiting, and just appreciate that. There's no matter any country is that, and anywhere they are going to visit, just try to understand about their feelings and about their love to visit your country or wherever they are. We don't need to talk about any other things like political talk and make nice behavior with them. Of course, it will brings a lot of smiles on your face, and be faith with the people and try to help each other, not like other countries, because some countries are very rich, and what we can say about their hospitality, of course, as compared to Pakistan and other countries, their hospitalities is good for good for the richest people. But I'm here mention that please just help people around. I have experience with the over 10 year, since 2018, 9 to 10 year like that, maybe 8 year. I have experience whenever I come to, like, it's a Gulf country, so I have many experiences, like good, more good, bad, more bad. And of course everywhere have people, they can't survive or they can survive. There's two categories, but everybody need to help with each other, because it's the nice thing. All we said in our life, it's not about just keep for you each and everything that's you are thinking that it's, oh my god, it's mine, why I spend and why I will allow people to share. It's about faith. If you guys share with the people, and if you guys make other people's happy, and definitely God, Allah Almighty, will make you so happy too, because it's Allah's promise. And whatever you are, whenever you are, wherever you are, and whoever you are, there's no matter, keep help others. I have seen a lot of people, in my life that they are going to destroy their life and they are tired of it, which is not good at all. God not let them to die because Allah Almighty is always with them, with us, with everybody. Uh, we need to just calm, relax, and we need to share with our good and bad thing as well with the people. Not only just you feel shy and you don't want to share, just try to share, try to explain, and maybe somewhere God will bring your happiness. And that's what I'm talking and explaining. Wherever you visit, just try to help the people, even it's richest or poor or whatever. Try to give them good hospitality, and I appreciate that. Today, just I want to explain about this. But be honest with the people, with the bodies, and it will make you so happy. Uh, Today I'm not in mood. If you guys like my video, subscribe my channel and share, and please uh, comment below the section and let me know how is it, how I made the video. If you guys like my video, and definitely I will make another vlog too. And to be honest, this is my first time videos in English. If you guys don't understand, just comment on below the section. I will try to explain you another language as well. So as of now, just take care. See you next time. Just subscribe my channel, and there we go. So goodbye. Allah Hafiz fi iman Allah, and we will talk next time. Thank you.